Today we'll talk about how can you pay a gift cards on your Wayfair app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you click here on account, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So then you click here on gift cards. So when you click here on gift cards, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on pay gift cards here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just here add amounts and here delivery methods and here send on. Then here can you add all information. Then you add here add to carts. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.